Team England and Team Tajikistan now. Team England in the blue corner, Tajikistan in the red. We've seen great performances from the English fighters here so far in the immaf Youth World Championships. Team England now forced to defend off of his back. He's given the mount up early on. Tajikistan in a very dominant position now. They start to attack the arms here for Americanas. Head and arm triangles, opting to go to side control. Then straight back to mount. Switching around for the knee on belly. Could potentially be trying to bait an arm bar here. What he's looking for is Team England to extend that arm out so we can start to think about gaining the angular motion to push his opponent onto the side. Nice little back step there. Half guard retention though from Team England. It's great work, jiu-jitsu for MMA. Staying very patient on the bottom is Team England, looking for that half guard. Nice frame by Team England. And his job here really is to start thinking about either standing up or obtaining a full guard. Can potentially sweep as well, given the fact that there's no headshots allowed, so gives him the affordance to work a little bit more readily in that bottom position and not have to worry too much about the head strikes. Nice leg kick in the dead space there from Tajikistan. Tajikistan already looking for the takedown again. Whizzer from Team England, framing on the face, but he's got to pummel these underhooks here now to gain some sort of control to circle his back off the cage. Tajikistan did a great job of wrestling in the transitions. Tajikistan dominant in this top position. This is hours and hours on the mat here. Been able to control somebody else's body. So there's little nuanced movements that allow you to control in these exchanges. Team England's going to try and kick off the cage here. Try and create some space and do something with it. He creates that space, he can work his way to half guard, he can try and stand up. Largely he's got to try and get on the side of his body as well. So face towards his left side. The whole time he's flat, it's very difficult for him to gain any power in those hips and get the hips underneath him to stand up or to retract the hips round and look for half guard. Gives up the mount again here. A dominant performance from Tajikistan so far. 1 minute of 4 rounds here for the immaf Youth B category. Potential triangle here for Mongolia. Looks to reach up and adjust the legs. For Team England here, it's all about posture in this position. Looks like he's got the other arm punched in, so it's going to give him a bit more breathing space. But it's good tactics here from Tajikistan to threaten the submission and, more importantly, control. You know, he's been in dominant positions throughout this fight. Team England giving away the armbar here, punched the arm through. Now looking to stand up. He's got to be careful about standing up in this position, however. Otherwise, he hyperextends his own arm. And remember, the referee can stop the contest if he deems the athlete is in danger of being injured.